It's really, really hot.
It is definitely boiling.
He will compete in 4 individual events here in London, the 400 meter and 200.
We kind of like that, you know, we're from Florida, so we're used to the heat. It's a little advantage from our standpoint.
Please do. Yeah, we're all set up.
I'm sorry, Alan first, then Leslie. Sorry.
And it's a huge, huge honor. And it just goes along with so much that has gone on this year. The fact that there are more women than men on Team USA. This is the first time. This is the 40th anniversary of Title IX. So again, having a female flag bearer is also something that's very meaningful.